Okay, here in this video, we want to look at the axis of symmetry and whether a parabola opens up or opens down. Now, the axis of symmetry, we know, goes through the vertex. And in the last video, we just found that this point here from our equation, this is the lowest point, the vertex is the point h comma k. This was your vertex. Okay. That was h comma k. Now we know from up above here that the axis of symmetry divides the graph into two halves. Okay. It's a vertical line that crosses, breaks it up into two mirror images of each other. Okay. So, and it's got to go right through the vertex. So here we've got a vertical line goes right through that. Well, we know from very back at the beginning of the year that vertical lines are x equals a number. Well, and it's x equals whatever x is equal to. Well, in this case, what's the x coordinate? It's h. It's because h is your vertex, so it's got to go right through that point, so x equals h. So that's your axis of symmetry in this case. It's x equals h. So x will always equal the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay? Now, the other thing we want to do is decide whether it opens up, the parabola opens up, or the parabola opens down. Well, we already kind of know how that happens. That was up here in the top as well. Remember here when there was a positive out in front, all your y's were positive. When there was a negative out in front, your y's were all negative. Well, negative y's are going to make your parabola go towards the negatives. Positive y's are going to make it go up. So, it's that number out in front. Well, A is a value out in front of all this. Well, it should open up when A is positive. It should open down when A is negative. Okay. So now we know where our vertex is from our equation. We know our axis of symmetry. And we know whether this opens up or down. In the next video, we're going to look at whether it is wider or narrower. Because sometimes the parabola will open up a little wider. Sometimes it'll be a little narrower. So we'll explore that in the next video.